Well, hello everyone, and we want to welcome you to the Lakeside Sistrack Theater presentation to VMworld, an official welcome. And in the next few minutes, with your assistance and a little bit of Sistrack magic, we're going to radically improve the life of our poor friend here who is begging for help. Okay, so let me get started with my elevator pitch as promised. Now we're going to pretend we're in an elevator. Anybody have gastrointestinal issues? Please hold it in, okay? It's not a long trip. We're headed somewhere new and exciting to level 0, okay? Okay. And for those of you that have a fear of elevators, I recommend taking steps to avoid them. Okay, that wasn't any funnier last presentation. Last elevator joke, no more. Okay. All right, here we are at level 0, everybody. Well, what is level 0? Well, it's a new way of thinking about IT support. The way automated self-healing and self-service can resolve incidents and requests without taxing the IT service desk. So what happens? You save IT costs and increase end user productivity. That's always a good thing. So when I say self-healing, I'm talking about solving problems before they impact productivity. Like our Geico here can grow a tail back, right? You're fixing issues before end users become aware of it. See the corollary here? But whereas when I say self-service, I'm referring to walking users through solving problems using software rather than people. Hey, you know what? We know you don't want to wait an hour on the phone or 24 hours for an email or whatever the SLA is. I just want to get back to work. You with me so far? This has sort of been the holy grail of IT when you think about it. All right, audience. Now, IT is working when people are working, and the goal is what? To get IT out of the way rather than in the way. Right? But before I tell you how we're going to do that, you know what? Let's take a little bit of a quiz, okay? Are you listening? Okay? Self-healing is what? That's right, it's solving problems before they impact productivity. About predictive and proactive support. Self-service is what? Work with me, people. Yes, it is amazing, Eric. It's about using software to help end users. Just kidding. But it is a very serious thing. Let's go back to the olden days. Some of us had a little more hair and less wrinkles. IT used to be a department that was filled with specialists. When you think about it, to be in IT, you needed certifications like MCSE, SSCE. You ring a bell? Let's want to go down a rabbit hole. Was anyone here a certified netware engineer? Raise your hand. Whoa. Boy, you have my sympathies. No, I'm kidding. So, hey, when I go in, I'm showing my age, I go in for a haircut, I say only cut the gray ones. But the point is this, over time, IT, Rich, went from being a team of specialists, you've seen the changes, to segmented departments with varying degrees of expertise, to finally where we are today, where IT support is broken down into tiers. Level 1 provides the most basic support, Level 2 is going to give you advanced support, and Level 3 tends to be core engineers who hate to be bothered, and they constantly say things like, hey, this better be important when you call. Does that sound familiar? Anyway, by listening to and working with our customers and partners, these include Microsoft, VMware, and Citrix, we here at Lakeside, you know, we found many of the level 1 and some of the level 2 functions that we've outlined here, they're often repetitive, right? And any workarounds and walkthroughs are documented in ITSM runbooks and help desk portals. So, we asked ourselves, given that Sistrack is the most widely deployed digital experience monitoring solution in enterprise and IT, couldn't we use our IT farmer's almanac, so to speak, of knowledge to templatize and automate the most repetitive tasks in IT? Wow. Well, naturally, what do you think, Eric? The answer was yes. And that, my friends, was the foundation of our Level 0 framework. But what came next? Everybody, this was the real big idea. Our customers said, hey, well, if Lakeside can automate the way we resolve system issues, can you then make Sistrack predict problems before they become, well, problematic? Okay. This is about 18 months ago, maybe about 2 years ago. It was an interesting proposition for us. And when we asked our friends at Gartner about it, they said, well, yeah, we call that stuff AI ops, or artificial intelligence for IT operations. So, we already had the artificial intelligence constructs that we built for the Ask Systrack IT Insight Engine that we developed with the IBM Watson Group. So, operationalizing on that logic was something we felt that was in our grasp, and that is one of the key things that we're announcing here today as part of our Systrack version 8.4 launch. Now, we're almost done, everybody, but I recommend you go in and get a demo of our AI Ops tool, okay? We have some great Lakeside engineers standing by at the demo stations at our booth, okay? Take the time to do it. Take my word for it. All right. You know, we didn't stop there. We also wanted to enable end users to both help themselves as well as provide feedback to IT when they felt things weren't quite working up to par. So that's another thing. Please get a demo of that. Add it on. Go to one of our engineers. Our survey and self-service capabilities rock. Okay, you're going to find them very helpful. And they're going to go a long way to helping our friend in that first frame with the help sign. Not only put that sign away, but perhaps even learn to love IT. What a concept. You think it's possible, Eric? When you put it all together, that's what's behind me now. The Systrack version 8.4 with our new AI Ops tool and Level 0 framework. Now, I could stand here all day talking about this game-changing technology. But hey, guys, the best way to spend your time, go get a demo. We know your time is short here at VMworld. So let me stop talking and let you start walking so you can stop squawking about your problems with IT, because the solution is right here. Having said that, we got our drawings coming up, but I'll leave you with this one last thought. If you want the ultimate in IT intelligence, there's only one name, one company, one place to be. If you want to be on the right side, the word to remember is what? Lakeside. It's a Lakeside world, everybody. We are all just living in it.